Mommy James.
Here's a less kinky bridal shower idea. Apparently, there's a bridal shower package right here in Bake Bee. For the busy bride and her entourage, bake your way before the church bells while spilling the tea.
Wow. Wow. Go Tammy. Who's juice?
Level namin ang macaron.
Try until you succeed.
Yung dalawa, may napili na ba kayo?
Try natin.
Saan yung mabilis, madam?
Mabilis. So dito ang value natin, the easy way. Ano nila guys? Sabi nila, tapos na ako eh. Tapos na ako, ang dami na eh.
So, first time po ba nilang lahat magbe-bake? Yes! Yes!
Now!
Oh, may babasa ako!
Go bride to be.
Marami na kami na pag-usapan. Gagawin na namin itong negosyo.
We're whisking the batter of our cake. It's so chocolatey, creamy, and yummy.
Yes! For it.
Lalabas na kami. Ikaw din.
Ikaw pala yung marunong magpalabas.
Hindi ko lang yung asawa ko. Ay, ang galing.
Go, Jazz.
Wow! Wow! Kaya agree na.
This is nice tea. Sabi niyo ba? Pag-uwi na natin. Dito. More coverage of the ring.
Kapa-kapa. Pwede.
Hi ka naman sa bride to be isa pa. Hello! Shower!
This is a good experience. Oh, yeah.
It is. Artist of it.
Inspired by Innovations Malta.
Yay! Wow! Innovative!
Jazzy. May ano ba yun?
Matibay. Yan ang pag-ibig ni Pang Matibay. The inspiration. The inspiration. First time yun ha?
First time baker.
First time makaroon ha?
Hey,
ganda. Ready ka na ba? Congratulations everybody. Let's go!
That's the real thing. Wow, galing.